name is Muhammad Rasyah Saputra, number 20.
My name is Athaillah Jenar, number 2.
My name is Kiki Amalia, number 18.
My name is Sharna Renata K, number 13.
My name is Athaillah Jenar, number 6.
Check it out.
The ingredients we need to make a sandwich are ham and egg, cheese, tomato sauce and mayonnaise, lettuce, tomato and sausage, and bread. And the tools we need are a container or plate, a knife, a spoon.
The first step is to slice the tomato into 2 thin layers.
After the tomatoes are sliced, then cut the lettuce above the stem.
Turn on the stove. Add butter. Wait until hot. Crack the eggs. Cook until done. Turn on the stove. Add butter. Wait until hot. Add sausage and ham. Cook until done. On the first layer, we will put ham. Adjust it to your taste. After that, put lettuce as needed. Put omelette and put tomatoes on top. Add mayonnaise and sauce to taste. And add cheese.
After you put the cheese, add 2 sausages and pour some more tomato sauce on top.
Put the bread on top of the sandwich, and then cut the sandwich diagonally. sandwich.